Poo poo poo. I refuse to be a brokie. I refuse to be a broke music producer who always complains and always says that the market is too saturated right now, blah blah blah, all this shit. No. Today in this video I'm gonna break to you down all the steps, how I'm treating my music production like a proper fucking business, and let's make some real money. Step number 1, just create this type beat channel, please. This is such an easy step to make. 30 minutes a day. You go on YouTube, go on incognito tab, whatever. Type beat, sort by today or sort by weekly. See, do your analysis. I have a different video on my channel already, so I'm not gonna be breaking down into this. Video is more advanced if you want to really make money with your music and not just fucking make FL Studio beats that no one wants to hear. Proceed with all the steps, find a niche that you actually enjoy making and you can make for the next couple years, that you enjoy growing in that niche. And I really recommend the more underground niches. I think I manage a couple of type beat channels, like 10 or 11 right now. The way to go currently, the more underground niches. So something even like if you look up on vidIQ, trust me, because I looked it up already yesterday, I think. The Slayer and Wah type beats are really popping off. So just make this fucking type beat channel, bro, and post every day. Don't skip a day. And the first pillar of monetization, of course, selling leases on BeatStars, monetization on AdSense, as you can see on the screen. And the really important part, free downloads. Oh, but why free downloads? We don't make money off people downloading our beats. Yes, we do. Don't make this mistake and don't allow BeatStars to set the free download to follow or something like idiotic like this. You need it to be set to capture email and collect those emails. I will explain further why we will need them. Step number 2, make a loop channel. Why is it important? Let me just explain. We don't actually make any more work than we do because we are making beats from scratch, right? If you're not, you can skip this step. I recommend making most of beats from scratch for at least one. So you can open a second loop channel where you'll be posting loop kits. And why do we want to do that? The reason is simple. It's way easier to collab with a producer that's, let me picture this opportunity, right? So you collab with the producer that, for example, has connections with Drake, with other artists in the R&B space. One producer can lead to multiple other artists, and one artist can lead to 1, 2 max artists. Like, not talking about making relations, because this is also important. Simply talking about money, this opens very many doors for you. If you're posting your loops on Recognize, you capture the email, you get splits on BeatStars sales. Really easy, really simple. Let's move on. Step number 3, make Instagram Reels and repurpose obviously to TikTok and YouTube. Use ManyChat for automation. For those, if you see this like descriptions on the Reels, like comment I have diarrhea to receive like a fucking loop kit. I'm learning this as we go right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kinda new to this concept. I mostly operated on YouTube, but Instagram and TikTok, mostly Instagram now, is the most important asset for a producer currently. All people are on Instagram. It helps you build your personal brand. Going again, ManyChat helps us monetize those views, which we can easily achieve. I've been doing Reels for 2 weeks or so, and I already got like 4K on a Reel and 100 likes. We can capture those mails, which will be again useful later. Also, a bonus, you can cold outreach producers. I might make a video in the future, but just keep in mind you can also do cold outreach on Instagram and on email. I don't want to make this video like an hour long, so let me just go to the next step. Telegram channels with automated bots. What is it? This is again another chance for us for like a half day of work. It took me like 2 hours to set this all up. So how it works, you post your beats and your loops when you make them. You make 2 separate channels. You make a bot with Cloud Code. If you don't know how to code, you don't have to. Now we have artificial intelligence which can do that for you. It's nice, isn't it? For 2 hours of work, you get another effortless exposure. You get emails. If you set this up with like some promo code, you can get bonus sale. And how much work it takes? Exactly 0. You just make the same beat that you're gonna make either way. You drag this beat and drag this loop onto Telegram. All the work is done. Let's move on. Step number 5. Finally, keep track of all your customers and emails. This is something I wish I did earlier. Just recently started treating like my music production like a proper fucking e-commerce business. I really recommend this to you too. You have to use some kind of email marketing tool to send campaigns to. I might also do, like, this is such a broad topic, but to just keep it short, use Klaviyo or Kit, don't use MailChimp. MailChimp sucks. If you're skilled enough and you want, you can make like a custom CRM like you see on the with this follow-up Gmail templates. This is a custom CRM I made with Cloud Code as well. So you can use AI to help with your business. Label your Gmail so you can track your cold outreach and offer custom services, bundles, make relationships with artists directly. So just to recap everything I said, milk every opportunity. Each email can lead to very good results, and you never know. You might sell a beat for $1,000 and you might just not be expecting it. Step number 6, which is monetization. I've said all this already, but there are so many ways to monetize. Just to list them all: sending quickly campaigns to either producers or artists, maintaining direct relations, offering services like custom services, mix, mastering custom beats. Each one can lend you at least $200 or $300. Partnerships and doing marketing on Instagram. Short video like short reel can get you a couple $100. Selling beats on BeatStars, of course, that's the easiest way and the way we prefer, which is a passive income. You can offer bundles, deals in campaigns. You can offer that on cold outreach, which can be done on mail and Instagram. You can earn additional money when your beats go viral on AdSense, which is also passive money. Really nice. Collab splits, another source of passive money. Placements and release on other platforms. This is also passive and you don't have to do anything for it. There are also many more. I just listed a couple that I'm doing currently. Choose what you're good at and look for other ways to make money. If you need any specific video on any topics related in that one, let me know in the comments. I can do like a full video explanation on each of those topics. I'm really passionate about it. If you didn't see it already, I really like this e-commerce stuff. If you want specific help or want to work with me one-on-one, check my socials down below. And as always, do the fucking work. Bye bye.